these glass demijohns. They're about 54 litres each, and I'm just about to sterilise them. I've got all the other equipment over here getting ready for the crush. Now this is what we use, is the basket press, good old Italian tradition. And I've just stripped it down, make sure it's clean. There's a bit of surface rust which is okay, and what I do, I usually seal it with a bit of special tape. I've got all the wood here as well, which I'll be sterilising very religiously very soon. So what I'm doing now is just looking at the cap of the skins. I'll just squeeze the excess juice out, and you can see that the fermentation has definitely done its job. All the berries have been almost brought down to its bare minimum of skins, and you can see there's a lot of seeds in here, which I'll try and bring up, but you can't see. Now these seeds give the wine the tannin. Now the tannin is the compound in the wine that gives you that dryness. It's a natural preservative. It sort of balances out the flavour and the texture of the wine, and the longer you keep it in contact with the skins and the seeds, the more complex the wine gets. There you go. Inside the barrel. Still fermenting, and the idea is now to put it into the basket press, which we will extract all the juice and the wine, and it will come out into our containers here. Got an extra funnel, and then we'll put them eventually into these containers.
You just don't have to even hold it so like hold it down so it doesn't fall over.
Righto, viewers. So what's happened, we've just pressed it, and if you can come and have a look down here, it's almost like a nice big fruit cake. And what you have to do is sort of like fluff it all up, and then have to put all the wood on and squeeze it again. Right, so what we got here, this is called free run juice. Basically it's the wine without the skins. It's usually on the bottom of the fermentation barrel, and it usually is the better quality one. But what we try and do to make sure that we've got an even fermentation is to blend it all up. So this point is putting this into that, because we've already made it nice and dry. So you just strain it off here, up on me. And what this happens is make sure that it's all blended up. Right, so now the wine is left in these glass demijohns, and they will keep on fermenting for probably about another 2 weeks. You can see the airlock is showing you how the gas has been escaping from the container, the carbon dioxide, and no oxygen can go in. So it's pretty much happening, and basically we just leave it like this, as I said, for about 3 to 4 weeks, and let nature do its job. about 160, 70 litres. I've drunk about 5 litres myself. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just collapse the basket press, and I'll just show you what actually happens after you press all the skins and see what the end product is. So I'll just try and slowly, softly take this off. Basket press. There you go. And as you can see, it's like a big compacted, almost like a cake, just full of the seeds and the skins, very dry. So I've actually squeezed all the wine out of it. So as you can see, it started from about here, and I've pressed it to about that much there, and extract all the wine out. Right, so that there you can actually either put in the bin or put in the garden as compost. Don't do it near the road, because people walk past and they go, "Oh, this guy has got a real nice smelling garden." Anyway, until next time, enjoy making your make wine.